So the question before us is, how do you set up a workflow rule so that as you triage tickets and put them into different workflows by priority, that also the ticket category and or the ticket type change automatically. So I'm in our demo database. I'm looking at our basic tech dashboard where we've organized the text day by way of the ready to engage widget organized by next SLA. Service calls that are scheduled. Tech 3 doesn't have any service calls at the moment. And then all the waiting tickets that are assigned to Tech 3. So I'm going to roll over my bookmarks. I'm going to go to the admin module. The way you bookmark admin module is by a yellow star in the upper right hand corner. That way you can get where you need to be in one click. So I'm going to go to automations. I'm going to go to workflow rules. And I know yours goes a lot faster than mine, but this takes a while. There we go. And I'm going to click new. So I am in the service desk area. So the entity is a ticket. The workflow rule name is update ticket category and type based on workflow. Description: if the post triage workflow is an incident, I'll come back and clean up the, there we go, post triage. So it's whenever a ticket is created or edited by anybody. The anyone's can be internal Autotask resource that's your employees. External means only if a client makes the change, only if a portal task fire, or only if a co-managed. We're going to want this rule for anybody, but you can limit it. Let's go down, and we're using the workflows by priority field. So we're going to find the priority field, and we're going to say in list. And then critical, I'm going to hold the control key down, high backup, medium, standard. Not quick hits. Quick hits is a service request, not an incident, even though we treat them like incidents. Your call whether you include quick hits or not. But technically, these are the ITEL urgency and impact matrix that define an incident. I'm going to add one more in here, and that is, let's see here. I think I'm going to use Q. Q not equal to triage. So as long as this ticket is being triaged, I don't want this to change. It could change. It wouldn't matter. As long as that's the workflow, but everything comes in medium, so everything then would have this. So now we're going to update, and the first thing I want to update is the ticket category. There's ticket type. It really surprised me. I didn't see category in this list, so give me a second. Wondering what they're calling it. There it is. So ticket type is going to be incident. Ticket category. I thought we had service standard. We don't have. I thought we used to have an incident ticket category, but we don't have one in here. Project STFI standard all fields. So anyway, just for grins, um, I'm just going to make it this one. I'm just picking it randomly. What you would need is a category titled incidents or whatever category. There you go. Pretty simple workflow rule. So anytime somebody creates or edits the workflow rule and the workflow by priority field is one of the incidents, and the queue name is no longer triage, giving you some time to make these changes. The ticket type change to incident, and the ticket category, you're going to want to put incident there. And then to reverse this, copy this workflow rule and then just change this to not in list and change these to service requests. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Let me just save and close. And so now, just to copy this, and this is in the post tree is a service request. And from here we'll go quick hit through recurring. In some cases it could be sales. Again, created it, edited. Now we're just going to say not in list. Same thing, not in triage queue. And now we're going to change the ticket type to service requests, and we're going to change the category to service requests. Save and close. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just email me at info@agmspcoaching.com. Thanks.